In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a gallery on Squarespace. Squarespace is a fantastic tool that helps you create beautiful websites without needing to know how to code. And one of the coolest features it offers is the ability to create stunning image galleries. Whether you're showcasing your photography, artwork, or any set of images, a gallery can significantly enhance the look of your website. So let's dive right in and get started on creating your own gallery in Squarespace. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, look for the login button to begin the sign-in process. Squarespace provides several ways to log in, but for ease and speed, we'll use the Continue with Google option. Clicking this will prompt you to select your Google account, so go ahead and choose the one you'd like to use for this process. After successfully logging in, our next step is to get to your website's dashboard. You may have multiple sites under your account, so make sure to select the correct one where you intend to add the gallery. Once on the dashboard, you'll be looking for a way to edit your site. To do this, navigate to the specific page where you want the gallery to appear and click on Edit. Now let's add the gallery section. Look for the Add section button, which is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. Clicking this will reveal various options, but since our focus is on creating a gallery, select images from the presented options. Within the images section, you'll find different ways to display your pictures. For a more cohesive look, we're going to choose the gallery view. This option groups your images in a stylish and professional manner, making it perfect for showcasing a portfolio or a collection of related images. After selecting the gallery view, you'll see a button labeled Edit Gallery. This is where you get to add the actual content to your gallery. Click on it and you'll be taken to a screen where you can upload your images. You can select files from your computer or drag and drop them into the upload area. Take your time here to choose the images that best represent what you want to showcase on your site. Once you've uploaded all of your images, you might feel the urge to immediately check how it looks on your site. But before you do, make sure to click on Close to exit the upload screen. And then don't forget the most critical step, hitting Save. If you skip this, all your work adding those images won't be reflected on your site. And just like that, you've created a beautiful gallery on your Squarespace site. Feel free to go back and edit the gallery at any time to add new images or adjust how they're displayed. Remember, your website is often the first impression potential clients or fans have of your work, so taking the time to present it in the best way possible is key. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you're now more confident in adding galleries to your Squarespace site. Don't hesitate to play around with different layouts and styles to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching and happy website building.